Alright guys, so welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our biology JAMB exam revision series, we are going to check out these two questions on the topic types of excretory structures. So guys, in short, to stay till the end of this video, we just have two questions to answer here. So you can feel free to pause the video at any point to see if you can get the answer to the question before we provide the answer thereafter. So here we have the first question, which says the excretory structure in the earthworm is the A, kidney, B, nephridium, C, Malpighian tubule, D, flame cell. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's the nephridium. The excretory structure of the earthworm is nephridium. So let's look at the next question, guys. That's the question number 2. So this is the last question for today. We have here, which of these excretory structures is not found in amphibians? A, skin, B, lungs, C, flame cell, D, gills. So guys, the answer to this question is C, that's the flame cell. The flame cell is not an excretory structure found in amphibians. It's an excretory structure that's found in flatworms and other invertebrates. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. So guys, this is where we'll end the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. Don't also forget to share this video with your friends to enable us reach out to more people. Thank you for watching this video.